Hebei Kinglin Rubber and Plastic Technology Company Limited is a comprehensive manufacturer specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of silicone hoses, rubber hoses, sealing strips, clamps, aluminum tubing, and related products. Each product line has its own dedicated workshop to ensure precision, consistency, and high reliability. Our products serve a wide range of industries, including automotive, specialty vehicles, agricultural machinery, and marine applications. Located in Qinghe County, Hebei Province, the company operates a 24,000 square meter factory with a 51,000 square meter modern production area, designed for efficient, large-scale manufacturing. With a skilled 190-person team covering product design, quality control, international sales, and lean management, we ensure smooth coordination from product development to final delivery. Equipped with advanced production and testing equipment and a R&D team proficient in CAD, CATIA, and UG, we provide customized solutions and strictly adhere to ISO 9001, IATF 16949, and ISO 14001 standards. Our products are exported to over 120 countries and regions, serving over 1,100 customers in major markets, including Southeast Asia, Europe, the Americas, and Oceania. Looking ahead, Kinglin remains committed to continuous innovation in technology and management, improving production capacity and service quality, and earning lasting trust through integrity, efficiency, and professional support. Choosing Kinglin means choosing reliable quality, on-time global delivery, and professional service. We don't just manufacture products. We create customized solutions to meet your needs,